This is Turkey, once again, the past and or present spokesperson for the American Cultural Tradition and or Cultural Memory Complaint Department and future chief and or head and or director of the Stochastic Intelligence Agency here at a contract in Phi through Theta. And I am performing today, although you perhaps will not see my face because Mr. aCiPhtTh has still not corrected those application problems that we are having so many difficulties with, transferring data from one Apple device to yet another Apple device. Therefore, as I said, you probably won't see my face today, but I will be performing in my role as future head and or chair and or director of the Stochastic Intelligence Agency. And in that capacity, I am here to teach you even more complex ways of communicating via space-time travel communication coordinates, whether those are the complex set of space-time travel communication coordinates or the even more complex set of communication coordinates, or some combination of all of the above, the complex space-time travel communication coordinate set and the even more complex space-time travel communication coordinate set. And the reason that I'm not performing in my capacity as past and or present spokesperson for the American Cultural Tradition and or Cultural Memory Complaint Department is because space-time travel communication coordinates are not a part of the American cultural tradition and are in fact unique to a contract in Phi through Theta. And a contract in Phi through Theta, as a contract in Phi through Theta in its various and multiple guises will inform you, is not a part of the American cultural tradition, although it is informed by an extensive American cultural memory. Let's get on and see what we're up to today. All right, let's go ahead and proceed from here. All right, something is emerging. Something is emerging there on the screen. Oh, look! It's me! And my head is exploding because I'm discussing even more complex ways of communicating with a contract in Phi through Theta via space-time travel communication coordinates. Okay, so what we're looking at here looks like the first number that we have is a 3, the second number that we have is a 4, and the third number that we have is an 8, or just 8 if you prefer, without singing. And there I am again. I'm talking about what we're going to do with these numbers. Okay, so the number 348, that's 348. And we're going to go down to the bottom. As you know, there are 360 items in the complex space-time travel communications coordinate set, not to be confused with the even more complex space-time travel communication coordinate set. This is the one formerly known as simple. I'm counting here backwards by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's see. There we are, 12. And what have we got? Okay, now we're looking at the information on the complex space-time travel communication coordinate set, number 348, and the title of this set is Better Times. Okay, so we're beginning with the title of this set, Better Times. We're trying to communicate a message to a contract in Phi through Theta, so that a contract in Phi through Theta will respond by putting up the video that we want to see at the top of the page. Alright, okay, so now I am putting in BRE test. What's going to be the next word? BRE test time. Okay, we're going to use BRE form to request this message from a contract in Phi through Theta, and what we're doing here is we're on an anagram generator, and we're going to find the anagrams and see if we were correct. BRE test time, and here are some. Oh, look, there it is right there. Okay, better times, yes, we were correct. Okay, so better times can be transformed into the anagram BRE test time, and that's what we're doing. Okay, now, what have we got going here? Times. Oh, yes, that's why. Oh, multiplication. So, times is another way of saying multiplication. So let's take the 3 and the 4 and the 8 and multiply them together and see what we get. 3, there it is. Times, right? Multiplied by 4. Yes, times 4. Times 8. Equals 96. Oh, how convenient. That's a part of our grammar. Space-time communication travel coordinates, as you know, implement the grammar if 6 was 9 and if 9 was 6 in honor of one of our favorite guitarists, Jimi Hendrix. And therefore, we must turn it around. Well, actually, turning it around is just going to make it another 96. But we invert those numbers. So, 96 becomes what? Yeah, you got it. 69. So, let's look up space-time travel coordinate number 69. Let's do this one in the even more complex set, because here I am describing the even more space-time travel communication complex set. So let's look it up. 69. What do you think it's going to be? All right, let's go to the top. And you recall that there are, what? 36 units. That's correct. From the top to the bottom. So I put the first number on the top, and the bottom number is coming up. Here it is. This is going to be number 36. And what's number 36? What's it going to be? What's it going to be? What is number 36 going to be? Oh, yes. Divine Gasparian. Okay, so that's number 36. So then we need to do that one more time and then subtract a few numbers. How do we get to number 69 from number 72? Well, I think we subtract 3. So let's go to number 72, which will be at the bottom of this page. And what is it? Yes! Larahi. Alright. It's kind of hard to see that. It's a little bit out of focus. I hope you can see it. Yeah, maybe we'll try to get that in better focus. Oh, there we go. Yes! Now it's in focus. Alright, now we have Larahi. Let's subtract 3. 1, 2, word that means airplane. So your communication may be airplane. We'll have to do something with airplanes today. Let's go back up and see what we can find. All right, the next number is 13. Trust me on this one. I'm not going to go back. All right, number 13. So we have to count 13. Ready? Ready to count 13? Let's count 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is Evan finds the third room. Let's keep in mind, Evan finds the third room and then goes on 2 more rooms. 12. 13. There it is. Rules. All right. Let's communicate that to a contract and feed through Theta and see what happens. And we may be doing something with airplanes today. We'll see. Let's zoom in on that. Rules. You know, an anagram for rules, if you change the, well, you'd have to change the letters around a little bit, wouldn't you? But you could get rescued. All right, once again, this is Turkey in my role as future, starting on January 20th, head and or chair and or spokesperson, I suppose, no, maybe director, that's the word I want, director of the Stochastic Intelligence Agency here at a contract and feed through Theta. Thank you for attending our conference. I'll see you later.